In this video, I will show you how to install Sling TV to your Android TV. Like, subscribe to this channel if you find it useful. So if you have an Android TV that you want to install Sling TV to it without Google Play Store installed, here's what you can do. Now, the first thing you have to do is use this third-party application called Downloader. What Downloader does is that it's an intermediary in which you can use to search for APKs, apps from the internet and install them to your Android TV. You don't download on your Android TV, just check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to guide you on getting downloaded to your Android TV. So once you come over to download after launching, this is how it looks like. Very easy to use. On the search bar there, you're going to type in the keyword install Sling TV or download Sling TV, anyone you're comfortable with, or just Sling TV. So once you've written that, just click on go, and the result page is going to come up with the various sources where you can get Sling TV. So as you can see on my screen right now, here are the various options. You can scroll through them to see which one you're comfortable with. But if this is the right option, you just have to come over here and click on it. Once you click on it, if your smart TV or Android TV supports the application, then you're going to see the application here. But if it doesn't support it or the application is not yet supported on your smart TV, you're not going to see it here like my own case. So my Android TV does not support Sling TV. I cannot have the install button. But in your case, if you have a better Android TV, you're definitely going to see the install button. I can just go ahead and click on install. But if you still don't see the install button, just go back to downloader and search for Sling TV APK. Once you do that, you're going to see an APK to install to your smart TV. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.